I'm Dr. Joe Vitale, and I'm very excited to report something that virtually nobody else knows about yet, because this is a recent discovery, and it's incredibly powerful, especially if you want more wealth. So if you're interested in having a bit more of a comfortable life and actually move in the direction of fulfilling your dreams and living your dreams, then you've come to the right place. So listen up. The wealth geometric is a unique sound frequency. And this frequency targets a cell in your body, sometimes called the pineal gland. Now, I am looking at the special report here because I want to give you the information as clearly and accurately as humanly possible. Now, according to this special report that I just received, the wealth geometric code is a breakthrough that activates the geometric cell in your own body and mind, in the pineal gland area. So this unlocks incredible prosperity. If you were ever looking for a magic talisman, one of those rocks or symbols, something that you almost rub or you almost look at or you almost just repeat the words of, and then magic happens, this is it. This is it. Now, I'm going to put this report down because I really want you to understand. I've been broke. I've been in poverty. I've been homeless. I now live the lifestyle of the rich and famous. I have surpassed all of my dreams. I've transcended everything that's gone on before. And I want this for you. Now, when I was doing all of this, I didn't have the geometric cell. I didn't have any wealth code. I was doing it the old school way, blood, sweat, and tears, which is why it took me decades. It doesn't have to take you decades. All you need is the Pharaoh's secret. All you need is this wealth geometric. All you need is explained on this page. Now, I urge you, I plead with you, imagine your life as a wealthy pharaoh in today's times. Imagine your life being one where you can fulfill your dreams and the dreams of your loved ones. And you can make a difference in the world because you're a steward for wealth and you get to aim it where you think it'll make the most difference. You have that power. You have that control. You have that wealth. What would that feel like? What you need to do is drop everything and read every word on this page. This is an investment in your life, in your happiness, in your longevity, in your heaven on earth experience. The opportunity is right now. The time is right now. Read this and invest in you. And then, as I like to say, expect miracles.